Yo, what's up everybody? It's 2025 and we're diving deep into the world of AI-powered micro-learning. Technology and trends are changing quicker than ever. How do you keep up? That's where micro-learning comes in. And AI is taking it to a whole new level. We're talking about learning anything faster and more efficiently. Micro-learning breaks down massive walls of information into bite-sized pieces, making it easier to digest and retain. With AI, imagine personalized learning paths that adapt to your pace, style, even your mood. In this video, we're breaking down the top AI-powered micro-learning hacks that will change the way you learn forever. Stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. All right, let's kick things off with adaptive learning paths. Remember the days of one-size-fits-all learning? Yeah, those days are over. Now we're talking about personalized learning experiences tailored to your unique needs and goals. Platforms like Udemy and Coursera leverage AI to analyze your learning patterns, identify your strengths and weaknesses, and create a customized learning journey just for you. Imagine starting a course on web development. The AI engine analyzes your existing coding knowledge, figures out your preferred learning style, and curates the content to match. It's all about maximizing your engagement and retention, ensuring you're not just passively consuming information, but actively learning and applying it. These adaptive learning paths are constantly evolving, tracking your progress and adjusting the difficulty and pace accordingly. So whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned pro looking to upskill, adaptive learning paths provide a personalized and efficient way to achieve your learning goals. It's time to ditch the outdated, one-size-fits-all approach and embrace the future of personalized learning. That's where our next AI-powered hack comes in: bite-sized content blocks. Okay, let's talk about bite-sized learning. We're all busy, right? Juggling work, life, and everything in between. Who has time to sit down for hours on end, glued to a screen, trying to absorb a mountain of information? That's where micro-learning comes in clutch. And AI is making it even more powerful. Imagine this. You're on your commute, waiting in line for coffee, or maybe just have a few minutes to spare before a meeting. Instead of scrolling endlessly through social media, you pull out your phone and dive into a bite-sized lesson on a topic you've been meaning to learn more about. Apps like Blinkist and LinkedIn Learning use AI to condense complex information into easily digestible chunks. We're talking about key takeaways, core concepts, and actionable insights, all delivered in a way that's engaging, efficient, and fits your busy schedule. By breaking down information into smaller pieces, we're enhancing our ability to retain and recall that information later on. So ditch the information overload and embrace the power of bite-sized learning. These AI-powered apps make it easier than ever to learn something new, no matter how busy your schedule. Now let's talk about feedback. Traditional methods of feedback, like waiting days or even weeks for grades on assignments, aren't exactly known for their speed or efficiency. That's where AI steps in to revolutionize the game with real-time feedback and assessment. Imagine this. You're working through an interactive coding exercise and the AI tutor is right there with you every step of the way. You make a mistake in your code and boom, the AI instantly flags the error, provides helpful hints, and even suggests alternative approaches. AI-powered assessment tools are popping up in every field imaginable, from language learning to business analytics. These tools use natural language processing and machine learning to analyze your responses, identify areas where you're excelling, and pinpoint areas where you might need a little extra support. Real-time feedback isn't just about catching mistakes, it's about providing personalized guidance and support throughout the learning process. So, ditch the outdated feedback loops of the past and embrace the power of real-time assessment. These AI tools provide the personalized support and guidance you need to accelerate your learning and achieve your goals faster than ever before. The internet is vast and overwhelming, especially for finding quality learning resources. But AI is here to save the day with personalized content recommendations. Think of the recommended for you sections on Netflix or Spotify. Now, apply that to your learning journey. Platforms like YouTube Learning, Khan Academy, and Skillshare use AI to suggest content tailored to your interests. Interested in AI? Watch a few videos, read some articles, and the AI kicks in. It recommends advanced courses, expert articles, and connects you with communities. Discover new interests and expand your horizons. Let AI guide you through the world of online learning. Discover your next learning obsession and unlock a world of knowledge. Step into the future of learning, where virtual and real worlds blur. Learning becomes an immersive adventure, mixed reality and interactive simulations powered by AI. Practice surgery in a virtual operating room with AI guidance, or explore ancient Rome and interact with historical figures. AI enhances these mixed reality experiences, making environments interactive and tailored to you. Learn a new language in a VR marketplace, interact with virtual characters and get instant feedback. These simulations have real-world applications in healthcare, engineering and military training. AI-powered mixed reality creates immersive learning experiences. And that's a wrap. We've explored some of the most exciting and transformative AI-powered micro-learning hacks that are shaping the future of education. From adaptive learning paths to immersive simulations, these tools are empowering learners of all ages and backgrounds to take control of their learning journey and achieve their goals faster than ever before. But here's the thing, it's not just about the technology, it's about embracing a mindset of continuous learning, of being adaptable and agile in a world that's constantly changing. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of AI-powered micro-learning, experiment with different platforms and tools, and discover a world of knowledge waiting to be explored. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to Mindful Mentors for more insights, tips, and strategies to level up your learning game. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.